ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Rakkam isangma ubre Nongtrei Sorkar jilla ubakmi ikatran pule buthi ulong maka Sorkar kanya lekat bala banshim khia ke Jingdawa jong ko all Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association namar baka Jingdawa jong ni kenhun kilong ke besongnya haga jingkran begala pathai khbor loy thu bakatran pule buthi kra phai ka file shikatran plating ka bakan sele e baro ke jinan kam ka kum ke jindan pissa jong Sorkar.
Non-SSA demands, they have met me today just now and we have discussed and it was very fruitful discussion. The file we have from the department we have already proposed and the file is with the finance department and the process is on and we are waiting the things to be completed and the Honorable Chief Minister is aware of this development and he will do the needful and we are expecting the finance department will take a necessary decision on this. I think proposal went to the finance department, so just wait for things to complete because the finance department will take a final call based on the strength the state financial strength that the state does have. Because the file has gone to the finance department, so I was not in office, so that figure is not right now with me. This may not be 30% or 50% or any percent, but that I don't have. So maybe as per the financial strength that the state does have, we will definitely will do the needful because the demand is very very genuine. Appeal to them. We have requested agitation and the protest is not the solution. But since yes, sometimes it does make that somebody listen faster. So since the government is already aware and the government is already listened and the department and the government is already taken note of all this, I think I'm sure they are not going with the continuing with agitation. Because I'm not wrong, it was in 2016. 16 was the last announcement happened. Non-teaching stuff. So it is about 1,000, approximately 1,200 plus staff are there. So across the state, from state to the districts level.